Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. Again, we unboxed this casting couple of times and it looked really good. So this time I bought it just because of the color on this one, the paint job on this to be very exact. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay. So before that, let me just tell this to you guys. I bought it for 179, which is the MRP. So this comes under this wild white body. I think the BMW also, yeah, the BMW also came in the same series. I'm really happy. So okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So usually this white body series, they do really well. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, this looks absolutely beautiful. Honestly, next to that BMW, I would put this right now because let me tell you why. You can see it has this, I don't know, kind of greenish golden. I don't know what kind of green I would say, but it is a green. You can see here, see the more you shine the light on this body, the more it changes the color to the proper lime green, I can say, or moss green. So but it is a glittery green. It changes the color to that see, you can see here, right? That looks absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so it has headlight details, it has logo detailing here, awesome. It has rear view mirrors, again awesome. And it has tail light details, again awesome. Okay, so let's talk about this. The body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, it has exhaust details here, good. And interior details looks really beautiful, and the interior actually goes really good with, I mean, this particular paint job they are having. So this is also, this white body kit they are having here. So that looks so amazing. And man, I'm really happy I bought this one, and the rims really goes well with this particular car. I don't remember about those previous two iterations, what kind of rims they had. I don't remember. I need to even check my own video in this case. So it has wiper details as well, that is absolutely beautiful. And you can see I think this is supposed to be speaker. The detailing is there, that is really nice. I mean, the paint job is really beautiful. Again, this is going to be second next to that BMW one. So let's weigh this casting. So again, I'm saying this, guys. See, when I'm talking about quality for the money you are paying, again, this is a one other example I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about exactly. I'm expecting, at least in all the castings. Okay, 38 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it got stuck again. It moves fast, but it is not, I mean, rolling. Actually, it is getting stuck in the track. Maybe because of the wide body, I guess. It does have a little bit of wheel wobble. Okay, so this is a rating time now. Okay, so I would take uh, one, because it is not rolling on the track and it has wheel wobble. So combined for those two things, I would take 1 out of 10, and I'm giving 9 for this casting. Maybe, you see, I don't know if it is a bigger track, I don't know how this is going to be, but this is a Hot Wheels and that is a Hot Wheels track. I'm and then and that's the reason I'm doing a roll test for Hot Wheels on Hot Wheels track, because it is supposed to do that, at least for most of their castings. And that's how they advertised, when it originally came and all. So based on this, I'm doing the rating part nowadays. So I'm reducing 1, but apart from that, this casting is absolutely beautiful. Man, I mean, I have three of this now in three different colors. I am really happy that I bought this particular color this time. It's so beautiful. Don't miss this out, guys. If you are able to get this one, go ahead and get this. It doesn't matter who you are, whether you are depending upon someone for money. Just fight with your parents and get 179 and buy this one. So again, next to the BMW. And if you are a collector, sure shot, go ahead and get it. So that's it, guys. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.